Hey guys, welcome to WPCL. Today I'm gonna to show you how to remove power by WordPress link from footer. So first I install the plugin. I will install the theme. Then I need to click the theme editing file, theme file editing. After going to here, I need to go footer.php. I will click on footer.php. Then I will search here. I will search here. This one you may change from here as you wish. I will write here as you wish. You may add your home page link. This is your home page link. This is your home page link, and this is the WordPress. You must replace this one and save it. Update the file. Okay. Now I wanted to show you another way by the Apple plugin. Just I will add a plugin. I will click plugin and add new. And I will search by the plugin name real-time finder and replace. After I already have installed this one, I need to active this one. Just active this one. After doing active, I will click on tools and real-time find and replace. After going to it, I will remove this one. Don't need to problem. Okay, I will go here. Just I will copy full section. After inspect, copy this one and add this one. I will paste full on. Again I will paste it on here. I will write here WP cell. Just I want to add here my homepage link. Power by. You may replace proudly. You may add here what are you doing. Just update this one here, and I will try to reload to change it to see it. Reload this one, and it's working perfectly. Okay, the link I will click here and it's redirect to homepage. It's very easy way.